Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can draw a vertical line in a table in WPS Office application. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my WPS Office application and I'm going to create a table. I'm going to go to the insert menu and I'm going to create table. Then I'm going to show you how we can draw vertical line in this table. Wait, I'm going to increase the height. Okay, and if we want to draw vertical line, we can select this draw table, and then you can just draw the vertical line to the part of the table that you want, like this. And okay, that's so easy, right? As you can see that the vertical lines have been created in this table. Okay guys, and that's all the way to draw vertical line in a table in WPS Office application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.